Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into muscle recovery, how to optimize it using simple free strategies, and which supplements can provide additional support to help you recover stronger and more effectively. Sleep. While you sleep, a lot happens. Not only do your muscles recover from heavy training, but your brain resets, keeping you focused and disciplined. Sleep is one of the three fundamentals of building muscle. Environment. A good sleep environment can help you fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer. Keep your room cool, make it as dark as possible with good shutters, reduce noise, and keep your room clean and organized. Small changes like these can make it easier to get quality sleep and recover well. Supplements for sleep. Magnesium glycinate helps your body relax and supports sleep quality. Avoid magnesium oxide because it absorbs poorly and can cause diarrhea. L-theanine helps calm your mind and reduce stress, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. Glycine may improve sleep quality by helping your body cool down before sleep and making you feel more refreshed. But don't forget that supplements won't fix all your problems. They can support your sleep, but good habits like a consistent schedule and a good environment matter most. Bad habits. Some habits can negatively affect your sleep quality. Doom scrolling keeps your brain active. Heavy meals before bed can make you uncomfortable. Caffeine after 4 p.m. can make it harder to fall asleep. And training too late can keep your body too alert. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more science-based fitness content. Stay consistent, recover properly, and remember, train logically, bro.